Naughty No Style Huevos con Machaca. A delicious Mexican breakfast recipe. This recipe serves 4 servings. Preparation takes about 10 minutes. And cooking takes around 15 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 1.5 cups machaca, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil or lard, a half piece white onion, 2 pieces serrano peppers, 2 large Roma tomatoes, 2 cloves garlic, 8 pieces large eggs, a quarter teaspoon kosher salt, a half teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon whole milk or crema. Step 1. In a medium bowl, crack the 8 eggs and add the milk, if using, a small pinch of salt, and the black pepper. Whisk vigorously until the yolks and whites are fully incorporated and a few bubbles form on top. Step 2. Place a large, heavy-bottomed skillet, cast iron is ideal, over medium heat and add the vegetable oil or lard. Let it shimmer until hot but not smoking. Step 3. Add the finely diced onion and minced serrano peppers to the skillet. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes until the onion becomes translucent and the peppers are fragrant. Step 4. Stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 30 to 60 seconds, ensuring it doesn't burn. Step 5. Add the machaca, dried beef, to the skillet. Stir constantly for 2 to 3 minutes. The beef should begin to toast slightly and absorb the flavors of the aromatics. Step 6. Incorporate the chopped tomatoes. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the tomatoes soften and release their juices, slightly rehydrating the machaca. Step 7. Lower the heat to medium-low. This is crucial to prevent the eggs from becoming rubbery. Step 8. Pour the whisked egg mixture over the machaca and vegetable base. Do not stir immediately, let the bottom set for about 20 seconds. Step 9. Using a heat-resistant spatula, gently fold the eggs from the edges toward the center. Continue this slow folding motion to create large, soft curds mixed with the beef. Step 10. Once the eggs are mostly set but still look slightly moist, about 2 to 3 minutes, remove the skillet from the heat. The residual heat will finish the cooking process perfectly. Step 11. While the eggs finish, quickly warm your flour tortillas on a hot griddle, comal, until they are soft and pliable with slight charred spots. Step 12. Garnish the skillet with fresh cilantro and a sprinkle of crumbled queso fresco. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.